Did you know that 15% of searches on Google.com are brand new every day? These new searches can make managing keyword lists challenging and time-consuming. Using dynamic search ads is the easiest way to reach customers who are searching on Google for your products or services without having to manage extensive keyword lists. Dynamic search ads use the content from your website to target your ads to customer searches. When customers search for terms that are closely related to your website's content but are not included in your exact match keywords, your website will be crawled to match the customer's query to the content on your site. Dynamic search ads then automatically generate ad headlines that direct customers to landing pages on your website that's most relevant to what they're searching for. For example, imagine using responsive search ads to advertise various types of boots: snow boots, rain boots, and hiking boots. Think of all the ways customers can search for these types of boots, as well as other brands that you may offer. This is where dynamic search ads can be very helpful. They act as the catch-all campaign, capturing any relevant traffic that may not be covered by your keyword list. Dynamic search ads are a particularly strong fit if you're looking to expand to new markets and languages, since it removes the need to manually translate keywords. Let's get started. First, create a dynamic search ads campaign. From the page menu on the left, click Campaigns. Click the blue plus button and select New Campaign. Select a goal for your campaign or create a campaign without a goals guidance. Select Search as the campaign type and enter your business website. Check Enable Dynamic Search Ads for this campaign. Here, you'll select a targeting source. The simplest choice is use Google's index of my website. During the ad group creation process, you will specify which of your web pages should be used to target your ads. In this video, we will focus on non-feed-based targeting. Next, select locations and languages to target. Now enter a daily budget. When setting your bids, it's highly recommended to use a smart bidding strategy. Smart bidding uses advanced machine learning to automatically tailor bids for each and every auction. Click Save and Continue to create a dynamic ad group. At this stage, you'll determine which content from your website will be used to target your ads. You can show ads based on your entire website, specific categories, or pages. When starting out with dynamic search ads, the recommended setting is landing pages from standard ad groups. This setting exclusively drives traffic to web pages where you're already running search ads, allowing you to expand traffic to web pages you prioritize. This is the most straightforward option. If your website is crawlable, you may also consider selecting categories as a targeting option. Google's web page indexing organizes landing pages by theme. You decide what sets of pages to target, how to group similar pages, and the level of granularity. This setting is only recommended for websites organized clearly by theme or category. A third option is to target specific URLs or URL strings on your website by creating a rule. This is only recommended if your website is not indexed or has very limited web pages. The last option is to target all web pages from your website's domain, which will provide the broadest reach. Now click Save and Continue. To create your dynamic search ad, enter your description text. Remember that dynamic search ads will automatically generate ad headlines and select display URLs based on your description lines, website content, and a customer's search query. Best practice is to create 3 ads per dynamic ad group in order to collect data on which ads are the most effective. Once your campaign begins running, you can optimize dynamic search ads by using the search terms report. This report shows the performance of search terms that triggered your dynamic search ads, as well as the performance of the landing pages you are serving ads to. If a search term or landing page isn't performing well, you may want to exclude those search terms or landing pages from triggering your ads. To do this, check the box next to the search term or landing page you wish to exclude, then click Add as negative keyword or Add as negative URL. For more step-by-step videos on Google Ads implementation and optimization, check out Google Ads tutorials on the Google Ads YouTube channel. If you have any questions or for more information, please visit Google Ads Help.